Hey folks, today we are going to make an incredible turkey and cheddar avocado sandwich. Here's a look at what you're going to need, a few basic ingredients. So first, go ahead and take your croissant and slice that guy down the middle. And next, we're going to add some chipotle mayo. That is really the secret ingredient to this sandwich. It's not that hard to find, it's not expensive, but just coat your sandwich, your croissant on both sides with the chipotle mayo. It adds a really nice heat to the sandwich, a lot of flavor, and the mayo part of it counteracts the heat part. You can spread that out with your knife or just rub the two halves together. Now go ahead and add a layer of whatever turkey that you prefer. This is some thick sliced turkey or carving off the board as it's branded. But thin sliced turkey will be fine here as well. Next, we're going to slice some Cabot Sharp New York cheddar. You can always use the pre-sliced stuff, but whenever you can slice something off the block, no preservatives have been used in the middle of the cheese like they do for sliced cheese or shredded cheese or anti-caking agent, as it's called. And the interior is a lot fresher, a lot better tasting, just because it's never touched the outside, so nothing can oxidize the inside of the cheddar. So that's why it tastes so much better and fresher. So give it a little bit of ground pepper. And next we're going to slice up our avocado. There's several methods of cutting open an avocado, but I like this method because there's slim chance of cutting off your hand. Just take your butcher's knife, run it around, and then twist it off. This avocado is kind of ripe. Not particularly ripe, but it's all the grocery store had. So I'm going to cut a little bit deeper and twist that off. Next, I'm just going to take a spoon and try to peel this out. If the avocado is ripe, this will just pop out, but this one's not. So again, it's all I had available to at the time. So sometimes you just got to do the best you can with what you got to work with. So in this case, I'm just going to peel the hard skin off, or actually just not peel it. I'm going to chop it off. Again, if this was a ripe avocado, this would be a lot easier. But I wanted the sandwich today and not 3 days from now. So next I'm just going to take my spoon and scrape off the hard stuff that was left by the pit, and then we will slice this avocado up. Go ahead and slice it in, I don't know, about a 1/4 inch thick slices, and then we'll add it to our sandwich. I feel like there's a millennial joke somewhere in here about using avocados. But either way, they're delicious and they're healthy. Finally, we will go ahead and slice up our tomato. I like to give one little slice to get rid of the stem area. And again, slice these maybe about a 1/4 inch thick. And that starts to fall off, so we're just going to get that just a little bit of sliced tomato in half and cover your sandwich. We will chop this in half, and this is going to be one of the best turkey and cheddar sandwiches that you have ever had. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel.